Hey everyone, today we've got a collector booster pack for The Lord of the Rings. I've stated in a previous video that I'm a pretty big fan of Lord of the Rings, and I'm currently trying to collect all of these. Even though these are for my collection, I'm going to go ahead and put a value goal at the top, something for us to shoot for. These packs are pretty expensive at the moment, and this one we got for $100. Alright, let the adventure begin. Value wise, that was pretty bad. But this card, this is one I've been looking for, so that works for me.